Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making an ice-dyed spiral t-shirt. To begin, I've laid out my shirt flat and I'm just going to spiral it up in the usual way. Once it's completed, I'm going to tie it up with some rubber bands. For this spiral, I'm going to ice dye it, but I only want to ice dye half of it. So what I've done is I've taken a plastic tub and I've taken a rack that I have that one end collapses on. I've collapsed that one end of the rack and put it down inside my tub so that my rack is at an incline. I'm going to put the side of the shirt that I want to put the dye on down at the bottom of the rack, and I'm going to hope that gravity takes over and too much of the shirt doesn't end up dyed. I'm using Dharma's Gunmetal Gray for this one. Again, I'm only putting dye on the lower portion of the shirt, but I am going to take it through the middle of the spiral. Then I'm going to load it up with soda ash, and I'm going to try to put ice only on this lower portion, not on the entire shirt. After all the ice had melted, I came back and checked it, and it didn't look like the dye had gone all the way through to the other side. So I went ahead and flipped my shirt over and added just a little bit more dye and a little bit more soda ash and ice and let it continue to process. Alright, so this is what our shirt ended up looking like. Listen, if you guys are enjoying watching these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you would hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.